Hello everyone, I am Akram, a student of BSc in Hospitality and Hotel Administration of EIILM-Kolkata. Today we are going to make chicken beef pie. So let's begin.
Juliennes of chicken, we have flour, we have egg, we have vegetables and asparagus and lots more colorful vegetables, the bell peppers, corn, peas and all the seasonings. So we'll begin by mix it. You will mix it, right? First we'll mix the egg. We'll put some salt, some oregano, some pepper, some milk, now you keep it aside. Now we'll saute the vegetables. Some corn, some green peas, little bit of zucchini, we'll toss it for some time. For some time and then we will let it cool down. Let it cool down for some time. boiled chicken juliennes, little more milk if needed. Little bit of flour. Brush butter in this mold. Till then we add some cheese. Here. Now we'll put this in the baking tray. And we'll move to the oven for baking it.
Now we'll put this oven at 200 centigrade for 15 to 17 minutes.
Now this chicken pie is ready. Now we will garnish this chicken pie to make it more healthy. Recipe. This is very easy to make. This is nutritious as well and it looks wonderful.
So our dish is ready. Do try this at home and let us know in the comment section below.
Thank you.